Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this video right now. Welcome to this channel, Happy Life. If this is the first time you came across this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friend. Turn on the notification bell in order to get notified when I upload new video like this. Today, in this video, I want to talk about prayer to break family curse. I realize many people would have made it in life, but they have buried their glory from generation to generation. It has become a family curse. Many think leaving the country will be the solution to their problems, not knowing they have put a mark in them to indicate that anywhere they may find themselves, they will continue facing the problems just because they are under monitoring spirit. If you like, build your house under the mountain, river, or anywhere your spirit is in their custody. The only solution is to scatter them and their aims. Do this prayer to set yourself free. Get 3 sticks of broom, white candle, and white thread. This is how to do it. Fold the broomstick into 9 parts like this. Like this, and tie it with the candle. Tie the broom with the white candle. Use white thread to tie them together. Read Isaiah 47 verse 1 to 15 7 times. Psalm 114 to the end 7 times. Put water in a bowl that you can use to shower and put it where it's safe. Drop the candle in the water, then use the verses to pray for 3 days. Light the candle on the last day and use the water to take bath. Thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, if this is the first time you came across this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friend. Turn on the notification bell in order to get notified when I upload this video like this. Thank you so much. May God bless all of us. Amen.